Yawa. XB Article 7. Section 4 of the 2017 PDP Laban Consultation. I call this meeting to order at this time. Obligation and compliance. Secretary, can you find out if we go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Madam Chairperson for Membership Committee, kindly inform the body of the total number of comprising the National Council.
Mr. Chairman, as of 19 April 2024, the National Council is composed of 95 members.
Mr. Chairman, we have a quorum of 60%, thus meeting the 40% requirement as provided for in the Constitution.
So we have a quorum.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Let us proceed. To facilitate the conduct of this meeting, I am appointing the party vice chairman secretary Alfonso Jose beside me, preside over today's meeting. Is there any objection? Jose, he will be here. Take over.
Raul.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. And before we proceed, I'd like to thank and congratulate our party president, Congressman Tito Alvarez, and his team for organizing the 12th attendance convention of City of Cebu. And I would like also to thank Mayor Rama for welcoming us all to his city. So at this juncture, to facilitate this meeting and to save time, I'm appointing former Secretary Raul Angito, PDP Laban chairperson of the International Affairs Committee and members of the National Council as moderator for this meeting. Is there any objection? Hearing no objection, we proceed with the meeting, and Secretary Lavino is appointed as moderator. So moderator, at this point, please proceed with the reading of this meeting's agenda.
Thank you, Mr. Vice President. In today's agenda, the following are to be followed. Approval of minutes of the National Council meeting held at East Ocean Palace, Florida City on August 29, 2022. Second, Chairman's report on this. Third, adoption of the National Security Committee resolutions. Approval of the proposed amendments to the party constitution. Fifth, obtaining of two members and officers. 6 other members. And 7, 42nd anniversary fellowship. I move for the approval and adoption of this meeting's agenda, Mr. Presiding Officer.
So, the meeting's agenda has been presented to you and been rated. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the agenda is hereby adopted.
Thank you, Mr. Vice Chairman.
Yes, Mr.
May I request the Secretary General Aguinaldo to recognize us?
Yes, you recognize Second
Mr. Chair, in order to save time, we move to dispense with the reading of the minutes of the August 29, 2022 National Council meeting.
There is a motion to dispense the reading of the minutes of the August 29, 2022 National Council meeting held at East Ocean Palace, Paranaque. There will be no objection. Do I hear any objection? There will be no objection. The motion is approved. However, for emphasis, the following are the highlight. I think we've been provided the highlights of the minutes of the meeting. So I will dispense also on the reading the highlights. Any objection? Hearing none, we proceed with the meeting and we proceed to the adoption of National Council Committee resolution. Mr. Moderator.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The second item of the agenda, Mr. Chairman's report, because we're going to hear that later on after the program proper. May I move that the agenda number 2 be delivered after the uptaking of new members and officers? I so move, Mr. Chair.
Any objection? The motion, no objection. Yes, we proceed with the number 6, the approval of proposed amendments to the party constitution. So, Moderator.
Let's proceed with the
Tol and Bato.
approval of the proposed amendments to the party constitution. Copies of the proposed party constitution have been distributed to the members a while ago. Most of these have been already discussed and thoroughly debated upon in series of National Executive Committee. One of the important amendments we introduced is the removal of the word Laban from the party which is PDP Laban, now it's going to become PDP or Partido Democrático PDP. And also the hand signal will no longer be by left hand but by right hand. So these are the main items of the proposed amendments to the constitutional bylaws of the party. So I should move for the approval of the proposed amendments to the party constitution, Mr. Chair.
That's the removal of the word Laban in our party's name. Philip, natanggal na yung laban ng so, any objection to the motion, to the amendment?
At this juncture, I ask the Executive Director and Chairperson of the Committee Membership, former Secretary Asanay, to be recognized.
Executive Director Asanay, you recognize?
Mr. Chairman, in view of the National Council of the amendments to the party constitution and the expiration of the terms of office of the incumbent national officers by September 2024, I so move that the amendments of the party constitution by the National Assembly and the election of the national officers be held in September 2024 at such time, date and place to be determined by the National Executive Committee, and we will notify all the members 1 month before the September National Assembly. I so move, Mr. Chairman.
There is a motion for the ratification of amendments to the party constitution by the National Assembly and the election of national officers at such time, date and place to be determined by the National Executive Committee. Do I hear any objections to the motion? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Mr. Moderator.
Before we proceed with the outtaking of the new members of the party, Partido Democrático PDP, may I ask for the adoption of the National Executive Committee resolutions that were earlier approved by the National Executive Committee. Among these are the following: National Executive Committee Resolution Number 20 Series of 2022, a resolution conferring additional functions to Adrian Lane de Cuevas, to to authorizing her to provide legal assistance in preparing, maintaining, submitting, reporting, and opting to the parts of body disbursements and vendors and operators. I move for the approval of this national executive resolution number 36.
There's a motion. Any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved.
I also move for the adoption of the National Executive Committee Resolution number 31, series of 2022. A resolution to authorize the National Treasurer to open a bank account for and in the name of the PDP Laban. I so move, Mr. Chair.
Any objection to the motion? Hearing none. Yes. Sorry, yeah, you putting, yes, there is a clarification here because of PDP Laban that has been already removed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair, for the reminder. Resolution number 32 of the National Executive Committee of the Partido Democrático Filipino, a resolution creating an ad hoc search and selection committee for the purpose of accepting nominations, trained candidates, and selecting the PDP nominee for the vacancy in Sangguniang Bayan of San Jose, Rizal. As moved, Mr. Chair.
Any objection to the motion? Hearing none, motion is approved. This proceeds.
I move for the approval of the National Council's resolution number 34, series of 2022, a resolution confirming, ratifying the appointments made by the National Executive Committee of the Partido Democrático Filipino as follows. Secretary General, the person of former Commissioner IUT Vice Melvin A. Matiba, Vice President for the National Capital Region, Congressman Eric Martinez, Vice Mayor Edwin, Congressman Edwin Olivares, Treasurer to be Vice Congressman Aurelio D. Gonzalez, Deputy Secretary for the National Capital Region, Attorney Secretary Galing, Deputy Secretary General for Visayas, Attorney David Nino, Co-Deputy Secretary for Mindanao, General Magdalene, Audit Government Council Committee Chairperson Robanay, Social Services Committee Chairperson Margaret Avenida, Women Children Committee Chairperson Jeremy Balaba, and the Legal Affairs and Administration Committee Chairperson Attorney Ben Mercado. I suppose, Mr. Chair.
Motion to any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved.
The next item of the agenda, Mr. Chair, is the oath-taking of the new members of the Partido Democrático Filipino. May we request the new members of Partido Democrático Filipino who have undergone the basic membership seminar in a couple of the past several weeks, and I ask the chair of the membership committee as to the numbers of non-members who will be taking their respective oath today.
Mr. Chairman, I would like to move that those who have accepted the membership and submitted their membership forms coming from Bacolod City, Iloilo City, Leyte, to stand up and be recognized.
Kindly stand up, please.
Cagayan de Oro, delegation, to stand up in members. And I will also move, Mr. Chairman, that we will not only administer the oath of membership to the new members, but I move that we will take this as a pledge also of all the old members to recommit themselves to PDP Laban. So, PDP, to PDP. Okay. May we request even the members that have already been recruited by our Mayor, Mayor Rama for Cebu, as well as those who are coming from the other provinces, will stand up also to have their recognition as members of the PDP.
I request the members to please stand up to take their oath. to be administered by our party chairman.
Yeah. Mr. Chair, before we proceed with the taking of the members, may I ask that Vice President Mayor Mike Rama be recognized.
Mayor Rama, if you very much.
Oh, taking everyone, because we talk about taking members of Senate, we have that. But those buildings to be apart are saying the flood of the Cebu City is a contingent. And I hear this evening they made also stand for their willingness to be a member of PDP. And that I wish those who I have invited and those who have been also in that relation, yours truly, including who are now, you may all stand, including you, the party officials or whatnot. Can you please all stand? And all who would want to be doing your pledge of commitment at the same time. With that, Vice Chairman, I would wish that who will take the subject of
Sila tayo? Sila lang ba yan? Sila lang yan.
Yes, he's
the iron one or who?
the chairman.
Okay.
Chairman will answer those. And as a moderator, can you please clarify to all the members how we what time is used in taking over?
Given the premises cited by our Vice President for the Visayas, to those who have not yet undertaken their basic members of the seminar, you can stand up, take your oath, but you have to undergo thereafter the required basic members of seminar so that we can issue you the corresponding oath of office and as well as the ID of Partido Democrático Pilipino. So I salute for the acceptance of the members of PDP by taking their oath using their right hand now, not anymore the left hand, as we recite the oath.
There is a motion that those taking the road tonight be accepted as member of PDP. Any objection? If not, the motion is approved and everyone will administer.
Hindi ka na pumulista. I don't turn my back against you. Sumunod na lang kayo. I'll read it as slow as I can make it. I state your name, having been appointed as what's your position? Member of the Partido Democrático Pilipino, Lakas ng Bayan, wala. Do solemnly swear to abide by and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines
uphold the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines
and of the party,
to
be faith in and put into practice the 5 basic principles of PDP and basic objective of federalism. To perform my duties to the best of my abilities and capabilities. My without fear or favor,
without fear or favor,
with the aim in view of furthering the objectives of the party
of furthering the objectives of the party
and advancing the interests of the community
and advancing the interests of the community
to which it is dedicated, and to conduct myself in a manner befitting the good and true PDP member, so as to bring honor and prestige to the party. And I take this pledge without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations to the officers and to the members of the PDP. Welcome. We finally got off, and we are honored that you have chosen PDP, the only political party in the country today.
Welcome to all the members of PDP, and congratulations to all members who for the first time took their oath using the right hand. So thank you, congratulations to all.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. At this juncture, to clarify certain commissions of IPO, the treasurer of the party would be Congresswoman Isabel Maria Zamora Ornada, Vice Congressman Odette Gonzalez, and Chairperson of the Education Committee would be Madam Penelope Belmonte, Vice President Metraco, who is now our new Chief Legal Counsel.
So there is a collection, and if there is no objection, the collection is noted and reflected in our procedure. Thank you, Mr. Murray.
And may I ask the new officers whose appointments have been confirmed by the National Council to please come up the stage and take their oath. Madam Penelope Belmonte, Chairperson of the Education Committee, please come up the stage.